So I brought it home today. Got a 5x8 tilt trailer. It's in really good shape. Paid less than $300 for it. And in the coming months, I hope to build it out to carry my rooftop tent, get it off of the top of the tail dragger. But this thing is in super good shape. Even the mesh is perfectly flat. It's not distorted and stretched. Been sitting in the guy's backyard for about 10 years, unused. I think he said he hauled 2 loads of firewood with it. So, immediate plans are to either A, slide this axle back to somewhere along this brace here, move it back to here, or to bob this last section off across there, cut it out and remove it, shorten it up by 18 inches or close to 20 inches, I believe, just for weight distribution, because I learned from my last build with these axles being in the center of the chassis, it's hard to get the balance just right without sliding the axle back or adding to the front of the tongue. So I will extend this tongue out and create a platform up here, probably for a power box, water tank. Of course, we're gonna run 35s. And we're gonna throw a bunch of compact camping concept parts on it, just like I did with the last trailer. So, day one, just got it home about an hour ago. But that's what we got. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Hit the like button if you like the video, and check out a couple of my other DIY Overland trailer builds. Until next time, tread lightly.